Get strong.
Welcome back to another video. I'm 12 years gone. In this video, we're going to be eating the Caribbean snacks with me and my father. But without further ado, let us begin. The first snack that I'm going to be trying is the rice I just did.
And other time, my favorite is cheese crunchies. I think it's very fresh. For a couple of years.
Nice. So good.
Oh, it's not chocolate. I'm looking for it.
This is very sweet.
You know that this week was a very interesting week. Well, a lot of rain that was dumped on the plains of Jamaica. And for the most part, when I go to school, it was pouring down heavily. Did you manage? In fact, your mom was one who actually took you by the bus stop, or I must say walked with you at the bus stop. How did you feel about that? Alright, you know, I thought I tasted quite a lot of some snack. I'm going to try another one, but it's my favorite. Cheese crunchie. So how do you feel about last week with the pouring rain, you know, almost every morning?
Anyways, last week was very hard to find out the space to walk while I was to school. At the sidewalk, so usually a lot of water, and then I had cars splashing the sidewalk with water.
Okay,
So it's very hard for me to find available spaces to walk.
I'm going to try another
I know the traffic.
Okay, I'm going to try another one. This is another favorite of mine. So I'm just going to set this aside because you know, we're trying several different stuff. This is my favorite ginger. You know that ginger has a lot of medicinal benefits. Which one are you trying?
And yes, I'll be trying this snackables. I like them a lot.
What is it? I feel like China legging. This is quite tasty. What about yours?
This is good. But they're not some of the best snacks I've ever had. They don't taste bad, but they don't taste any good too.
So another thing, I asked you, yeah, you did some examination this week over there.
I think I do well on them.
Okay, do you want to tell me the subject? Because trust me, you know, when you get older, things just fly over my head, you know. And certain things, you know, I don't quite remember. Even though I attempt to do so. So which one is subject here did you do this week?
French, studies, religious education, literature, history, Spanish. Yeah, Spanish.
Okay, alright then. And I would expect you have done your utmost best as you normally say, you know. You always aim for the best. I'm going to try this one. It's a baller, strawberry baller. I'm going to try this one.
Maybe we're trying the red line.
Okay. I've had this before, you know, it's not my favorite because I have to As you know, a lot of coloring and it's sugar. And I'm the kind of person who watches my health. And what is it that you're trying?
The red line.
It looks very crunchy, man. Oh, it's a bit sweet. I don't think I'm gonna eat anymore. I'm gonna take it that time. Yeah. Let's take this aside. Try that already. What time? I'm gonna try another one, and I think that's it for me. I don't want, or I don't feel for all of this now. Which one are you gonna try?
I'm gonna try this one for my final one as well.
Okay, definitely. Yeah.
Yes, it's the TV.
I'm quite interested. Oh, it's that shit. That's good. Extreme barbecue. Is it spicy? Let me try it. It's a bit spicy, but not extreme.
Tea biscuit tastes a bit sweet, kind of, but not as sweet as the chocolate and stuff. As the chocolate early in the back, digest it.
It's okay, but it's not my favorite, like the sweet content as I had earlier. And other snacks. You know, I've also had butter chips, but I'm not going to go for it, you know. It's a bit sweet. But whenever I'm feeling for something still sweet, trust me, it's my favorite as well as the Shirley. And you all know the Shirley, the good old Shirley biscuit. And as we say, you're in what? First or second form?
Second.
Can you imagine if that is actually you're in first or second form? And when school is going on for you, apart from the exam that you have concluded and the wet weather that we have experienced this week, how is school otherwise? I mean, yes, you are getting a bit more and more independent, you are taking the public transportation by yourself. What is that like? Do you have to actually show like other student or as a student of one of the prestigious high schools in Jamaica? You were disciplined. What do you do? Show, I need to get in that bus. You don't have to actually say the number bus. Do you show or you actually join the line?
I joined the line.
And what else? Tell me about it. Give me a picture of what takes place in the morning.
Usually, sometimes the line are longer if a bus has passed. So I just usually just don't take a bus if I see a bus driving away. So go and take a taxi most of the times.
Okay.
But usually but the bus lines are very long. Most of the time it's just a line for people to go to the bus, but sometimes a bit of pushing.
Okay. That's very good, you know. Best thing to actually join the line rather than actually shoving. And it's easier to get in the bus that way. And coming back from school, what do you know? You normally walk it. You don't have to mention the name of your school, you know. You will walk it down with your friends, right?
Yeah.
And chit chat, of course, right? You know, talk about football and, or what do you talk about? I don't know. Tell me, because I'm not there, you know, with you. What do you talk about?
Most times games.
Games, okay. I guess one of these days you may be one of those famous gamers. Anyways, are we going to end this video now? Do you want to actually end it?
Yes, that's the end of the video.
And what we normally going to say, you know, we have to thank them, you know, because they are watching us, you know, and they didn't have to actually sit down and watch this video. So, thank them for watching.
Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And goodbye. And
Before we end, you can actually try this now anywhere you're at the world. They are very delicious. Nice sunset. Thanks for watching. Remember, share, like, and subscribe. Peace out.